Germany's economy is grappling with multiple challenges that underscore the complexities of sustaining growth in a post-pandemic world. Recent data indicates a continued struggle to regain momentum, with Germany being the only G7 economy to have contracted in 2023. The expectations for 2024 aren't particularly bright, with growth forecasted to remain well below the advanced economy's average at just 0.9%. This sluggish recovery is attributed to a combination of high inflation, energy costs, and weak foreign demand, impacting the nation's economic output, given its heavy reliance on exports. Adding to the economic turmoil, Germany began the year with farmers launching nationwide protests against proposed cuts to diesel subsidies, resulting in the government rolling out concessions and financial aid. Moreover, the global shift towards EVs presents a unique set of challenges for Germany, traditionally a powerhouse in ICE vehicle manufacturing. This transition threatens job losses and necessitates a paradigm shift within their automotive sector, from supply chains to manufacturing practices. This also indicates the vulnerabilities of an economy heavily reliant on a specific manufacturing sector. Autos constitute approximately 25% of manufacturing revenues in Germany, highlighting the need for diversification and innovation to maintain competitiveness on the global stage. In response to these challenges, Germany has turned to e-fuels as a strategic initiative to uphold its automotive heritage. E-fuels, or synthetic fuels, are produced by synthesizing carbon dioxide, captured from the atmosphere with hydrogen. A renewable energy system is used to generate hydrogen from water. This process, known as electrolysis, does not involve any further carbon dioxide emissions. The resulting liquefied or gaseous fuels can power internal combustion engines, releasing only the previously captured carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, achieving a cycle with no net new emissions. Germany is lobbying intensively for international acceptance of e-fuels, but there's a catch. They're 70% less efficient than pure electric vehicles. The production and utilization cycle of e-fuels is energy-intensive, with significant energy losses at each stage, rendering them less efficient than EVs. While e-fuels present a viable interim solution for hard-to-electrify sectors like aviation and shipping, the ultimate path to sustainability is through full electrification. Germany's experience offers valuable lessons for India as we chart our own growth trajectory. The vulnerabilities of an economy heavily dependent on a single manufacturing sector, which also generates a significant part of their services revenues, underscores the importance of diversification and innovation. It beckons India to not only champion innovation within its burgeoning manufacturing sectors, but also to embrace a diversified growth strategy. As we embark on this journey, let's anchor our efforts in these principles, propelling towards a future where India not only emerges as a global manufacturing powerhouse, but does so by charting a path that is as sustainable as it is dynamic.